The Mnangagwa, 3 weeks after the YouTuber pardoned Gambakwe, had falsely claimed on 20 March 2025 that the Blessed Geza movement, since the 1 March protest, was struggling for finances, just as he also claimed that he had pictures of injuries he said he sustained from poisoning by Emmerson Mnangagwa in July 2024. A large group of mostly fake protesters were captured by unknown men on 13 April 2025. Sanabina mashoko auda pana pachitsanangura achinzi aiwa hau Gambakwe anozikana no achinzi Gambakwe media as Nyokayemabhunu with the fake 50 Geza soldier story. Sanabina mashoko ari kuikonzi manyepo aiwa emukoma nonzi pardon Gambakwe akashatisa to capture vana Nyokayemabhunu nekuva silence and subscribe or like button on the bell icon. Tivna ZVAITWA cheating. A month before, the ZVAITWA news network had raised a red flag, and citizens who were engaging Gambakwe and a woman only identified as Chimama were either regime agents or people sacrificing kuchekeresa innocent people. Later, over 200 predominantly fake activists were kidnapped on 13 April 2025 after the Zambian activist Wellington Masiwa Nyokayemabhunu was stripped using a financial donation trick. In quotes, if I show you injuries that I got from the poisoning in Zambia, some of you won't sleep over what happened. These people are witches. Mnangagwa and his family, they are witches, announced Gambakwe as he then got bank account numbers for donations for the 31 March demonstrations, whose organizers had however made clear that it doesn't need any money. Gambakwe did not stop there, but went on to make further announcements to the effect that he represents the group that was arranging the demonstration. As if that was not enough, his mouth took another twist, this time to name drop Blessed Geza, the war veteran who protest he alleged was going to fail because it does not have money. We are on our own, he said. He then went on to impose Geza's name onto self-styled activist Wellington Masiwa in a way that is bound to now implicate the war veteran over Gambakwe's own fund-raising trick. Unbeknown to his victims, his method was for the purpose of ensnaring many activists. He said, $2 million the people from Dubai have given them $300,000, which they, when they bought scarf, they bought it for $300,000. So unfortunately, on the side of Geza, Comrade Nyokayemabhunu, I was talking to him, less than an hour ago, there is no money, there is no funding available, so we are on our own. This man Mnangagwa is putting everything, all the resources to remove. Don't let this man come back. Mnangagwa had gone, but he said, a program funded by Zambia Sanction Branch and by this time put together a total of 6 million rand to finance a counterintelligence operation that was hoped would lead to the arrest of Masiwa and the war veteran Blessed Geza. Lawyers struggled to locate the group throughout the day as Masiwa was tortured. At the end of the day, Nyokayemabhunu was located at Central Police Station, where a certain male named Vanda asked officers to charge Masiwa over theft of 25,000 rands. The police officers responsible for the arrest were receiving orders from the ZVAITWA ZVAITWA review. In the conversation, Masiwa confirmed to the police that he recognized Mr. Svanda. The officers were being fed this information as Svanda was trying to create a docket over the 25,000 rands. Masiwa acknowledged receiving the money. Svanda failed to prove evidence of the handover of the money. Svanda also failed to prove that the money was obtained through deception or in an unauthorized way. Masiwa declared that the money was for demonstrations need and was distributed among his campaign team. As a result, the charge over the 25,000 rand was abandoned. Masiwa is now battling immigration charges. To this day, Gambakwe has failed to review the injuries he once announced that he sustained at Mnangagwa's hands. He has also refused to review his statements, with which he continues to attempt to link Masiwa with the war veteran Geza and or members of the security forces soldiers. On 10 May, he broadcast a video with which he claimed that so-called 50 Gaza soldiers were arrested on April 14. ZVAITWA replaced a recording of him as he was confronted for answers. Ndomas kwatuda panapa achiexplaina kukepchwa kwakaitiwa Nyokayemabhunu aiwa nemafake aiwa representatives vari kuona kuti vanoita as if vanhu vari kuda kuisa change munyika vachizama kuda kufinansa maprotest but vari maagents au the ruling party ZANU-PF anenge ada kukepcha maactivists. Tunze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pepfumuro rwakaita vakomana veGambakwe. Pinda comment section venudzi mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like.